Have you been wanting to pick up a new skill? Become familiar with digital marketing with Acadium. Talent is not something that appears overnight. It is for this reason that Acadium is dedicated to helping you build or discover your own talent. Working with us will provide you with a basic understanding of the digital marketing world, gain experience, and gain the ability to build your own portfolio. Our marketing courses are free, we offer real-world tasks, and we offer an unpaid apprenticeship for 10 hours a week for 3 months. A career in digital marketing begins here for anyone who is just getting started. At Acadium, we believe that anyone, anywhere, should be able to gain the skills and experience you need to launch a career, regardless of price, schedule, or location. Digital marketing is the fastest growing field in the world. This course gives you the tools, support, and mentorship you need to launch your dream career.